is this blue? What is up, you guys? It's Alex. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome and thanks so much for joining. How are you guys? I missed you. It's been a while, I know. But if you've clicked on this video, then you know that I split dyed my hair and it looks amazing. So if you want to see me almost cry through this whole process, then keep watching. Okay, so before I start, the plan is to lighten this hair, this color as much as possible, and then bleach it. And then after I bleach it, I'm gonna see what color it is to determine what kind of toner I need, because I was researching it and it was like, if it's more orange, then you need blue toner, but if it's more yellow, then you need purple toner, and if it's like a yellow green, then it's like ash color. I don't know what ash is, but anyways, so yeah, that's the plan. Hopefully this works. I'm kind of nervous. Like, I've dyed my hair before, but I hope this comes out okay. Alrighty, welcome to my bathroom. So today we're gonna use baking soda, developer dish soap, and shampoo. Last time I used purple shampoo, but I don't really think it matters. So I'm just gonna mix all of these in equal parts. I have gloves, my bowl, and my brush, and then I'm just gonna put this in my hair and hopefully this works out. About 30 minutes to an hour. I'm not really sure. I'm just gonna kind of like keep checking on it, and you can see it's already like lightening up here, so hopefully this doesn't take long. I do have a lot extra left over, so if I need to do it again, I have enough that I've already like mixed it and I don't have to do it again. Like, don't have to mix it again, but hopefully just one time and it'll work. So I'm gonna go put a plastic bag on my head. You guys have already seen me with plastic bags on my head, so I'm not gonna show you that part. You guys, all of this purple is out, and it's like back to, oh my god, is that green? Okay, it's like ashy blonde looking. So I think this is a good thing. I'm gonna go and wash this out, and then hopefully it'll look okay. And yeah, okay, so I just washed this out with shampoo. I didn't put conditioner yet because I'm gonna do a deep conditioning treatment because my hair feels like not straw, but straw-like. For the purposes of dyeing though, it lifted it so much. I'm honestly really impressed. Okay, so I've got the deep conditioner in. It's just the Mega Grow. It's just this one. This is the one I use. So I parted down the middle kind of evenly, and then just put it in 2 braids. It's super soft, but it's looking like my curls kind of like lost their shape. So hopefully this will help them just a little bit. For the one side that I'm gonna dye black, this is perfect. For this side, I'm thinking I'm definitely gonna have to dye the roots, but I'm not sure how I'm going to do that without like getting the middle part. I don't know. I'm kind of nervous. Should I tone this? I don't know. Okay, so I ran to the store and picked up some dye and some toner and some other things, but this is where we're at right now. There are a lot of colors happening, like from here to here. So I'm hoping that I can like bleach and kind of like fix this. Because I'm doing split, I'm thinking maybe I can only bleach one side, but then I'm like, do I really just want to like fix this part too? I don't know. I'm nervous. Anyways, I'll show you what I got. So I have regular bleach, just this one I had from before. And then I have 30 volume developer, and I also have 20 volume, but I think I'm gonna use the 30 on my hair with the bleach, and then use 20 for the toner, but I'm not sure. And I got this. It's T10 because I've watched so many Mondo videos, and I know that T18 is not for your hair unless it's like platinum blonde, and clearly this is not platinum blonde. This is like ash brown or some ish like that. So I matched like the color little like swatch that they had in the store onto like match my hair to it. So hopefully this will like tone it out. If not, I don't know, we might just be going all black. But now the next dilemma is, do I bleach all of this, not the ends, just like this bit, or do I just do half, like half my head? I think I want to fix all of it, but I don't know. So I'm just gonna mix stuff, and then as I'm putting it on, I'll see. Oh, I also have oil because we're gonna do foils. I'm trying to be very professional right now. Okay, so I've got my right side sectioned into small pieces, and then I'm just gonna like touch it up, trying to like not get hot roots. So I think I'm gonna like start here first and then go down to like here and then go to the roots after. And I'm putting foils on them because, you know, I wanna like keep the heat and everything, but I really don't want hot roots. So I'm gonna try really hard to like not get my roots. And I'm gonna use a brush and be very precise. And I've got my rat tail comb so we can get like thin little sections. I've already mixed my bleach. I'm really nervous, guys, and I've bleached my hair before and I've colored it. I don't know why, like today, it's just like, I don't know. Also, I forgot to pick up like latex gloves, so I'm just using like dish gloves. Hopefully the bleach doesn't destroy it. If it does, then it's not a big deal. So yeah, time to bleach it up. And I've parted it like as straight as I can get it down the middle, and I'm gonna really try not to get it on this side. So let's see if this works. Okay guys, so kind of a mess, but I went back through and like touched up the front and the roots, and this is turning like green. Can you tell from this video? There we go. I turned the light off, but let's see if I can get it. No? Okay. Well, basically it's like a green in the middle and then blonde. So instead of the 4 different colors, I've got 3 different colors on the one side, and then I did go back through and like touch up the roots, but I'm kind of nervous now that this isn't gonna work. So yeah, you guys, I am not hopeful. This side, okay, maybe like it's not great. This side is like, what the F happened? I'm hoping that the green on top of the green will be fine, and then it will be like a lighter roots to darker ends. Is that how it's supposed to be? Or darker roots to lighter ends? I don't know. I'm nervous. I'm gonna like mix the toner and tone it and see what happens. If not, then it might be all black hair, but thankfully it's just like one side of my head. Like, I don't know, I kind of wanted this to turn out a little better, but It's okay. I've just come out the shower and this is what it's looking like. So I'm not hopeful. This side I don't really care about because we're going to put black over it. This side, like, I feel like I'm just gonna put the green over it and then hope for the best. So I'm gonna like t-shirt dry this. The toner really didn't do anything. I mean, I don't know, maybe I used the wrong one, possibly. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go for it. And then, like I said, if it doesn't work out, I can just always like dye the whole thing black. But basically, I'm gonna towel dry this, or with a t-shirt, I'm gonna dry my hair and then part it down the middle like more evenly, and then just go ahead and paint this-ish on. So, I'll be back in a few minutes. So I've got the colors in. This is looking like blue color. At this point, I don't even know. But I'm gonna let it sit, I'm gonna let it sit for about 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna wash it out, and I think I'm done coloring for the day. I have extra green dye, and then this is the black dye that I use. It's like, what is this? Jazzie Clariol Professionals. I've seen people use this before. So this is the black dye, this is the green dye. Hopefully this works out. The Arctic Fox obviously smells amazing. It's vegan, all that great stuff. And it's semi-permanent, so I didn't have to mix it with developer. Both of them are semi-permanent. So if this doesn't work out, I'm just gonna like put black on my whole head. But at this point, it's kind of looking not that terrible. What do you guys think? I don't know. Okay, you guys, so the green side came out really good. It's still wet, I just washed it out. And I'm about to put conditioner in it. And I was really worried about the green side. But the black side, what the F is this? Like, why is it this poop color? And I dyed it twice. Like, it's a semi-permanent. I'm gonna put this in the stand really quick. Are you seeing this? Like this side, ooh, Arctic Fox, yes, came through. Don't worry about the curl, like it's just, I had it in a bun. This was that Clariol like jazzing-ish. This is gross. My hair looks gross on this side. I'm really disappointed because right in here looks amazing. I don't know what happened. Like, why does this look green? I do have black box dye, but I don't want to use box dye because it's like has ammonia and stuff in it. And this Clariol crap, this crap was supposed to work, but it didn't work. Like, who knew the black side was gonna be so hard? So it like, some places it's, no, just kidding. Like, why is it this gross, disgusting color? I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to detangle and then put some conditioner in and just do a deep conditioning treatment tonight, and then hopefully figure out what I'm gonna do with this side. Like, I just want to cut it off on this side, but I haven't cut my hair all year, so we're just gonna keep that trend going. Okay, I'll check back with you guys sometime later. This green is gorgeous though. Ignore this side. Are you guys even ready for this? You're not ready for this. Guys, look at my hair. It came out so amazing. I am in love with this. So I stopped recording on Friday because I was so bummed out that like this dark side was just so crap and like disgusting looking. I don't know what color that was, but anyways, so I did a protein treatment Friday night, and then I woke up crazy early on Saturday morning, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the box dye because I was like super desperate. So I used the Garnier box dye that I had. So it was like kind of a little healthier. It had like different oils and stuff that you put mixed in with it. And it stuck. After that though, I realized that it's like blue black, and so it's not like all the way black. So in the sun, this looks like blue, but it goes with the green, so it looks really amazing. Also this side, like the dye just took so much out of my hair. That first Clariol dye, I don't know, I'm never gonna use that again, it was terrible. But this side is like super soft and everything. Obviously like the whole thing is damaged, but we're gonna work on it to get it back to our curls. I love that there are different shades of green within my hair. Like on this side, you can see it's like light bits and stuff. I think it looks really great. What do you guys think? I'm in love with it. I'm just gonna keep this forever. I know I said that about the purple, but like, so great, so good. Oh my god, I love it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel for more content. Make sure and click the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. If you have any questions or comments, you can definitely drop them down below, or you can hit me up on social media at Sparkling Alex. I don't think I have anything else to say, guys. I am in love with this color, okay? Definitely for sure next time I'm gonna use Arctic Fox like for my whole head and not just like the green side, because I should have just done that in the first place, and then we wouldn't be in like this like damaged mess. But it's fine. We're gonna get through it. It's gonna be great. I love my hair. It looks amazing. I'm so happy with it. How are you guys doing? It's like October, which is spooky season, which is amazing. Are you guys doing okay, like with COVID and everything going on? I don't know. Also, I've moved. I should probably do a video on that too. Like, I've moved and started a whole job and all of these things, and it's great, and I should probably just update you guys on like what's going on in my life. If you would like to see that video, let me know down below. Yeah, I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video.